Hello friend, this is Fremson. In this video I just show you how you can turn your Android phone into iPhone. So for turning an Android phone into iPhone, you just need to install application name called iPhone as launcher. I could show you on a Play Store. Wait. So this is the application. We first need to download the application and install on your phone. So click on install. Accept. Okay, now it downloading. So you can wait for download the application. This application have the 1 million download and have 4.2 rating on a Play Store. Okay, our application is now download and install on your phone. Now you can wait for installing. I show you what you can do after installing. Okay, now it's time to open the application. So just click the open button. So I can click on open. Okay, now our application is now open. You need to wait. Okay, now it's time to select a wallpaper. You can select any wallpaper depending on your choice. I select the first one. So we click on get it started. Okay, now click on OK. Okay, now it's time to allow the permission. So just click on this, click on OK. Now go back. Now click on OK. Okay, now it's time to on the permission. On the permission allowed. Okay, go back. Now we are ready. Our iOS is ready on your Android phone. So I hope you like this video, and please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Hacking Explo. Okay, bye.